Hey there, young scientists! Welcome to an amazing adventure. Today, we're going to follow a very special friend on an incredible journey. Meet Dewey, the water droplet. Dewey is about to show us one of nature's most important processes, the water cycle. This cycle has been happening for billions of years, and it's happening right now, all around you. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Our story begins in the vast, beautiful ocean. This is where Dewey lives, along with trillions of other water droplets. But something magical is about to happen. Can you see that bright, warm sun up there? The sun is sending down its powerful rays, heating up the ocean water. Watch the thermometer. The water is getting warmer and warmer and warmer. When water gets hot enough, something incredible happens. It transforms. The liquid water turns into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Look, Dewey is rising up into the sky. Right now, about 10,000 droplets are evaporating every single second. That's like filling up a swimming pool every minute. Up, 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 Dewey goes, floating higher and higher into the atmosphere. Wow! Dewey has traveled way up high, over 6,500 feet into the sky. But up here, something different is happening. It's getting colder. The air temperature is dropping, and Dewey is starting to cool down. When water vapor gets cold, it changes back into tiny liquid droplets. This is called condensation. It's the opposite of evaporation. But Dewey isn't alone. Look at all those other droplets gathering together. Thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of tiny water droplets are clustering together. And do you know what they're forming? A cloud. That beautiful, fluffy white cloud you see is made of over 1 million water droplets, all huddled together. Fun fact, that cloud can weigh as much as 100 elephants. Can you believe it? Uh-oh, the cloud is getting heavier and heavier. More and more droplets keep joining, and the cloud can't hold them all anymore. It's time for precipitation. That's when water falls from the clouds back down to Earth. And here comes Dewey, falling as rain. Whee! Dewey is dropping at about 20 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car driving through your neighborhood. Dewey's journey isn't over yet. After landing on the ground, Dewey flows into a small stream. The stream joins a river, and the river is flowing downhill, carrying Dewey along for the ride. Where is Dewey going? All the way back to the ocean. This is called collection, when water gathers in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Did you know that 70% of our entire planet is covered in water? That's almost 3/4 of the Earth. And now, Dewey is back home in the ocean, right where we started. And guess what happens next? The whole cycle starts all over again. The sun heats the ocean. Dewey evaporates, rises into the sky, forms clouds, falls as rain, and flows back to the ocean. Round and round it goes. This is the water cycle, and it's been happening for over 4 billion years. That's older than the dinosaurs. In fact, the water you drink today might be the same water that a T-Rex drank millions of years ago. All right, young scientists, let's see what you remember. Don't worry, this is just for fun. Question 1. What happens when the sun heats ocean water? That's right, it evaporates. C. Question 2. What are clouds made of? Fantastic job, everyone. You're now water cycle experts. Remember, every time you see a cloud, rain, or a river, you're watching the water cycle in action. Thanks for joining Dewey on this amazing adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being curious. See you next time!